Hello everyone, my name is Bharat Nagnath and I'm from NMM Institute of Technology, NITTE. So we created this Velociraptor model. Me, my friend Anurag and Hansel created this dinosaur model that we all have seen in Jurassic Park movie before. So basically, how we built this model is that first we started off with a cube. We actually referred an actual image of Velociraptor dinosaur, and we extruded it, and we cut the cube into half, and we give a mirror effect to it. Right now you can see that one part is selected. So we do the transformations on one part, and the other part will try to replicate it because it's a mirror effect. So we only work on one side of the dinosaur, and the other side automatically gets updated as we move on. So starting off with the main body. So this is the body which was actually a cube in the beginning, but then we split it using these divisions using the loop cut, and then we extruded it to make the neck of this dinosaur from the front side. So after extruding it from the front side, we gave some details over here to make its mouth, and we attached a small spear onto its eye area to give a realistic look to the dinosaur. So moving on to the tail part. So even this is nothing but extruding it from the backside of the cube that we had originally. So we applied some scaling effects over here to make it look like cylindrical fashion, to make it look like in any cylindrical fashion. So moving on to the hardest part of this 3D model, these are the nails of these are the massive nails of the Velociraptor dinosaur. So what exactly we did over here is, as you can see, we extruded until this part, and then we scaled it back, and we extruded from the scaled part, which means we reduced the size of the extruded part, and then we scaled from the reduced size. That's why it looks like a small part embedded inside the huge fingers of the dinosaur. So in this project we have applied all kind of transformations: translate, rotate, scale. Yeah, we also applied shear by extruding the cube. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.